You already know how to make work come grinding to a halt. This is no longer a dust issue. This is a productivity issue. You can see that clearly. What you see is wasted time building up, and it's an expensive cost of production. You can wait for the dust to settle before acting, or you can take action now with an environmental control booth from Torrid and clear the air on productivity once and for all. The Environmental Control Booth, or ECB, handles 3,900 cubic feet of air per minute, removes dust with 99.999% efficiency, and recirculates clean air back into the plant. The enclosure is solidly built of heavy 16-gauge steel. It contains specially designed soundproof panels to reduce noise and provides a well-lighted work area at 100 foot candles, the industry standard for optimal productivity. The airflow is uniform throughout at a rate of 140 feet per minute, creating a clean, comfortable work environment. By containing dust and noise, the booth not only helps improve this worker's productivity, it improves working conditions and productivity for other people in the plant as well. And it helps comply with increasingly stringent OSHA regulations for dust control. The ECB is designed as a modular air filtration system. Each module is 45 inches wide. By connecting modules, the size of the enclosure can be expanded to meet your particular needs. Unlike other dust collectors, it does not require ductwork, which makes the ECB much less expensive to install. In the back of the booth, you'll find the Torrid fan and filter system. It's the heart of the ECB. Each module features 6 ultra-web filters as standard equipment, 3 in front and 3 in back. These cartridges contain the most efficient pulse-cleaned filter media available in industry today. In fact, tests conducted using dust averaging 5 microns in diameter and using procedures defined in ASHRAE report number RP531 show that the cartridge's filtration efficiency is 99.999%. The reason that ultra-web filters are so efficient is a microscopic layer of fine web-like material laid over the top of a cellulose substrate. This microscopic web filters out micron-sized particulate that would otherwise become embedded in the substrate material or pass through altogether. Pictures taken with an electron microscope show the efficiency difference as we compare the pore size of standard cellulose media with ultra-web media using the same magnification. The ultra-web filters do not have to be removed for cleaning. After the filters begin accumulating dust, the ECB will clean them automatically by pulsing compressed air in the opposite direction of normal airflow. Dust is pulsed off and collected in the dust drawer. The dust drawers are easy to access and small enough that they can be removed and emptied by one person. To control the pulse cleaning of the filters, the optional control panel provides 3 convenient methods. The cleaning control can be set for continuous pulsing at a user-selected interval. There's also a photohelic gauge control. The gauge measures the pressure drop across the filters and establishes a user-selectable high point and low point that control pulse cleaning. As dust accumulates, the pressure increases until a maximum pressure is reached and pulsing begins. The pulse cleaning gradually reduces the pressure until a minimum pressure is reached and pulsing stops. There's also an after-shift cleaning option that cleans the filters when the worker is not in the booth. When the worker leaves for lunch or at the end of a shift, he pushes this button and the unit pulses for a preset amount of time, up to 30 minutes. The ECB offers several options for specific customer applications. One is the Ultratech filter. The Ultratech filter is designed for applications with a fibrous particulate such as wood or fiberglass. It features a proprietary synthetic media for effective filtration and is constructed with wide pleat spacing and no outer liner. This allows the fibers to be pulsed off more easily. A second option is a door with self-closing louvers. These internal flaps open when the fan is on and close when the fan is off. This way the filters can be cleaned with the fan off and dust will not migrate back into the workplace. For applications that create sparks, such as metallic grinding, we offer a spark trap door with a baffle system that makes it very difficult for a live spark to enter the cleaning chamber. Hundreds of ECB units are currently being used in a variety of industries for composite and metal grinding, wood sanding, and powder paint and chemical mixing applications. As you can see, this is not a conventional dust collector. The worker has complete freedom of movement. There are no hoods or swing arms to get in the way of the worker, the part, or the tools. The ECB is an effective and versatile approach to dust control and noise containment. It consistently increases worker productivity inside the booth and in other areas of the plant. Workers appreciate the clean, well-lighted environment, and the company benefits from improved morale, higher productivity, and a cleaner plant. The ECB is an innovative solution to an age-old problem with dust control and productivity. It's what you've come to expect from Torit, the industry leader in cartridge-type dust collectors.